Hey there, are you struggling with distorted audio on your Google TV? This week, I've got a guide on how to fix Google TV voice distortion so you can enjoy your shows with crystal clear sound. Understanding and resolving audio issues can make a world of difference to your viewing experience, and today, we're tackling this problem head on. Step 1. Check your audio connections. Before diving into settings, let's ensure all your audio connections are secure. Loose cables can often cause distorted sound. Inspect all connections. Make sure that HDMI cables or any wires connected to external speakers or sound systems are firmly plugged in. Also, verify that they're not worn out or damaged. Switch the ports. Try connecting your HDMI cable to a different port. Sometimes swapping ports can resolve any unforeseen issues. Step 2. Adjust Google TV audio setting. A misconfigured setting can easily result in distorted audio. Dive into your Google TV settings to tweak the setup. Access settings. On your Google TV, navigate to the Settings menu and then go to Sound Settings. Change audio format. Under the Audio Output section, you might find options like Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, or PCM. Switch between these settings to see if it resolves the issue. Adjust Equalizer. If available, experiment with the equalizer settings to see if changing the presets helps remedy the distortion. Step 3. Troubleshoot external sound system. If you're using an external sound system, the issue might not solely be with your Google TV. Check the soundbar receiver. Ensure that your soundbar or AV receiver is set up correctly. Consult your device's manual for optimal configuration. Update firmware. Keeping your sound system's firmware updated can prevent incompatibility issues that cause distortion. Test with built-in TV speakers. Temporarily disable the external sound system and use the TV's built-in speaker to verify whether the distortion persists. Step 4. Keep software up to date. Updates often fix bugs or compatibility issues that may lead to audio problems. Update Google TV OS. Make sure your Google TV is running the latest software version. Head to Settings, System, About, System Update to check for updates. App updates. Ensure the apps you use to stream content are also updated. Outdated apps can sometimes contribute to audio issues. Step 5. Reset your Google TV. If none of the above steps have worked, performing a reset might be necessary. Factory reset. Navigate to Settings, System, Reset, Factory reset. This action will revert all settings to default, so it's advisable to use this method as a last resort only. Audio distortion can be disruptive, but with these steps on how to fix Google TV voice distortion, you'll be equipped to tackle the problem efficiently. Always ensure your connections are solid, your settings are optimized, and your software is current. If issues persist, consider consulting a professional or your manufacturer's support for deeper hardware-based solutions. By keeping your Google TV and sound system in peak condition, you're setting the stage for immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. Enjoy your clear, distortion-free audio and dive back into your favorite shows and movies with sound that matches the picture quality.